servicingnya.
Why is that not holding? Click, click. So why do I hear water running? Or is that just air coming out? What is also not good. Okay, so the only place we can get water is by opening this connection from this reservoir here. Gluk gluk. Full. We don't need to flush it at this point. Preferably not. Yeah, what can I say? I'm amazed. But this is only half of it. This is only the cold water part. Now we need to test the warm water part. Well, actually, we'll leave this for a couple of minutes. Then come back to see if it's all sealed. Hey, Zoe. Hola. We seem to be good. Let's try the hot water. So there might actually be some water coming out there, right? Hey! Here's where I find one of the knifes. This one is on its way out already. So there was still a lot of air in there. But that really doesn't matter, because if there's a leak, then the air would also leak out. So no leaks. We're not actually going to test it with like hot water. We're just going to put the same pipe on the hot water piping. This is still going to be willing to come off. There we go. So normally these like rings, they are for one-time use, right? As long as you don't tighten him less tight than you did them last time, you should be able to reuse them. And like I said, these kind of connections, you don't need to tighten them too tight, because then they are gonna leak. As soon as it starts squeaking, it's too far. So I know that this is almost before it starts squeaking. Same procedure. Come on. Here we go, round two. You hear it like I actually hear it very well. Not with the girl barking now. So all the left ones are the hot ones. I don't want to jump to conclusions too soon. Maybe a little more pressure. Yeah, let's wait a couple of minutes again. Somebody's staring at me way over there. What you doing? Are you guys as amazed as I am that it's all sealed off? This works pretty well with these clamp things. It's a little bit of a hassle to get the clamp in there sometimes, but once they're clamped, they seemed very sealed. So yeah, that is super great, guys. The toilet is in the right place. All the pipe work is connected. Oh, I still need to fix the bolts, definitely. But we also still need this pipey for the drainage. So that might take a while because I'm not planning on going to Castello anytime soon. But we have enough other stuff to do, as usual. Very pleased with this. That's a big milestone. Come take a look, Akira. It's not leaking. Amazing, huh? Cool, cool, cool. Oh, this handle is not very sturdy. Cool, cool. Another cool thing, I ordered the heat pump already like a week ago, I think, so it should be arriving any day now. So then we can also test the floor heating, which should also be pretty exciting. Who's up for a walk? We might be getting rain tonight.